Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me, and evidently they're not a laser engraver. They want to do something with red glitter paper, he called it. I'm not 100% sure because he said he wanted to use it over and over and over. And this particular one actually has some trademark lines in it, but that could be very easily cleaned up, I'm pretty sure. So I just went to the internet and found red glitter paper texture background basically. And here I picked one that's 13 by 13 dots per inch. So you've got a uh, good substance, good picture, and those are probably trademark lines. And I might do a video on how to get rid of that, but I don't think it would actually take away from the glitter. So you can type out a text or an object, and you can have it just regular, select both of them, and go and hit Intersect. And he actually said something about using it over and over. Well, you haven't changed this. You don't have to use a filled font. You can do the same thing with a outline font. The only thing that's better is the outline font you can see as you're in there. Let's get rid of that one and just do this one again. And so just select both your items and go right here to Intersect. And what that does, it intersects the two properties. I hope that answered his question a little bit. Thank you for watching.